All right, friends, I am out here in our ministry vehicle, and I'm afraid to start. I just did a video for you guys, and somehow I pushed that little white button. I know you can't see it, it's on my phone, and it didn't finish recording. But you know, people can be very, very nasty and leave you terrible comments. I got one comment about our vehicle saying that I just wanted the money. There was nothing wrong with the vehicle, and so, you know, you got to have thick skin. But I would never tell you guys a story that wasn't true. I believe this is the flywheel. I started it a minute ago. I thought we were recording, and I could smell burning, so I can't let it run very long. It starts up, but it's terrible, terrible noise. I don't know. Listen real close if you know about vehicles. Is the starter just stuck, engaged, or is this flywheel broke? And it could be dangerous. I shouldn't even be starting it. Almost out of gas too. The shop wants like $1,400. I'm trying to find somebody that will do it on the side, but we still don't have the money to fix it. But oh, I know you can. You're watching a video, but I can smell something electrical. So I better get it into a shop somehow. I just wanted to show you that it's not a story. It's pretty bad. Thanks. Do you think it's a starter, or could it be I'm pretty sure it's a flywheel.